Hello my friends, welcome back to Mr. Crazy Farm Life YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to do another seedling. Okay guys, today I'm select another vegetable for seedling. Anyway guys, if you like to watch like this Crazy Farm Life videos, just subscribe Mr. Crazy Farm Life. Just guys, I like to remind this, if you missed our previous seedling videos, also the transplanting video, please check about in this playlist. Also check my Mr. Crazy Farm YouTube channel. Anyway guys, today I have another seed packet. So anyway guys, this is also Sri Lankan 8 rupees and you can see the pack date, also you can see the expire date. Anyway guys, in here there is a germination percentage. So anyway, I hope we can get at least 10 to 20, maybe more. So anyway guys, let's go to see what is this vegetable. Okay guys, I think you can see this. I will take the focus like this. Anyway guys, today I'm going to seedling this cabbage. So anyway guys, let's go to start our process in our nursery area. So after this seed, after the seedling, we can transplant them in like these grow bags or directly in soil. Okay friends, I'm back to my nursery seedling area. Okay guys, so I called this area by that name. So anyway guys, let's go to open this and see how seed look like. In this packet guys, I found a packet of packets. So I will take this out, just wait. You can see that this guys, there is small seeds. It's like mustard seeds. So anyway, this is cabbage. Okay guys, so in this time I don't take this into the leaf, so just I will put them into our seedling cup. Okay guys, I had directly put them into our seedling cup. You can see that yeah, so it's look like mustard seed. So anyway guys, let's go to prepare our nursery seedling bag. So anyway guys, just I called like that name. So anyway, this is the packet. So this is the packet I can find at the market. So but if you can find another pot or anything, you can just prepare it, because of this is seedling process, not the transplanting, or just this is not the direct planting. So just this is the seedling. You can find any pot or like thing for the seedling process. Okay, so most important thing is the mixture. So in this mixture guys, have manure, also compost, and a lot of things. You can check about everything in the description, because of I need to do this video super short. Okay, so let's go to fill the mixture into our nursery bag. Okay guys, you all know I'm using my one of hand to record this. So after I fill the mixture, I will see you soon. Okay friends, so I had already add the mixture into our nursery bag. So let's go to take our seeds carefully, because of if this fail in the ground, we can't find this anymore. So guys, I'm going to put my seeds like this. Okay, so you can see it's have a unique color, like you can see that it's glowing. It's glowing guys, it's like mustard seeds, but it's glowing. So anyway, just we need to mix it with our mixture. So guys, I'm going to mix this with our mixture. So I hope we can at least take 10 to 20 of cabbage plants. Okay, so anyway guys, next we need put the water. Okay, so I'm going to take 1 cup of water and drink it. So anyway guys, I will put the water in here. Yeah, so guys, after this will be grow, we can transplant them in the soil, or my plan is cabbage grow in grow bags. So anyway guys, I will transplant them after those seedling will grow, so we can grow them in grow bag. Okay guys, anyway, just I'm going to put another cup of water. Yeah, so guys, if you like this video, press make like, also comment down your ideas. Also, if you like to watch more my future videos, also I will do more tricks, tips, like those things in agriculture. You can subscribe Mr. Crazy Farm Life YouTube channel.